An exclusive story that Yash is bringing to us. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 that the SEBI may consider linking options leverage to cash positions. Yash, if this move does indeed take place, then a lot of the option volumes may dry up. That's perhaps reflecting in the kind of moves that we're seeing in a lot of these capital market plays as well.
Well, this seems to be a fallout largely of SEBI's investigation and action against Jane Street. What we've been given to understand from our sources is that market regulator may consider linking options market leverage to cash market positions. To simply explain this, SEBI is considering a proposal where only if you have certain amount of exposure in the underlying cash market, equivalent to that, like a multiple of that, could be the allowance as far as the options market exposure is concerned. Options market could be linked to the equivalent cash market through a derived formula. As I said, a formula will be put in terms of the cash market exposure, and a multiple of that could be allowed as far as the options market exposure is concerned. According to our sources, four things are what SEBI plans to achieve through this particular mechanism. One, increasing cash market liquidity. Second, reducing options market liquidity. Third, reducing excessive speculation and protecting retail investors. And fourth one, cut down on the ability of institutions like Jane Street to manipulate indices and make fast money. SEBI is also considering various other steps to sort of identify and plug any more loopholes as far as the options market is concerned. All these proposals could be discussed by SEBI's board very, very soon. Apart from that, to increase cash market liquidity, SEBI is considering a couple of steps like, allowing shorting in the cash market, also enhancing the SLBM or the loan against shares mechanism.
Okay, Yash, thank you so much for that. We'll be keeping an eye out on these capital market names as well, whether BSE, MCX, Nuvama, Angel One, all of them also in focus. But on that note, we're going to slip into a very short break. But remember to tune in to the all-new CNBC TV18 Prime, bringing you insights from policymakers, business leaders and economists shaping both the world and India's future. CNBC TV18 Prime decodes global shifts and their impact on Indian businesses, giving unparalleled insights. Tune in to CNBC TV18 Prime at 12 noon for the Global Reset, at 1 p.m. for the Big C, and Global Lens at 8:30 p.m.